Earth is undoubtedly the most suitable of all the planets in the universe. Right? Wrong. Even though Earth may be great, but there are a few other planets that potentially support life even better than our own. Behold KOI 5715.01. You probably won't be able to visit the majority of the planets on our list of the most super-habitable anytime soon. They are very far away. One that is located 3000 light years from our solar system currently holds the top place. It would seem that KOI 5715.01 satisfies the requirement for maintaining life. It is located in the star's Goldilocks zone, where temperatures are just right for a vital component of liquid water to exist on its surface. But it would also check off many boxes to be considered super-habitable. It could belong to a planetary system that is 5.5 billion years old, making it roughly 1 billion years older than our own solar system. Additionally, the planet would almost meet the required size. Scientists keep an eye out for planets with a mass up to 1.5 times that of our planet when searching for super-habitable worlds. Additionally, they should be 10% bigger. The planet would be able to retain heat due to this size disparity, and this planet might have even more biodiversity if its average temperature was around 5 degrees Celsius greater than Earth's. Now that KOI 5715.01 is approximately twice the size of Earth, it could slightly exceed this condition. In addition, studies indicate that this planet is colder than Earth. Still, there is a hope. A potent greenhouse effect might push temperatures to the appropriate level with the right atmospheric makeup. In terms of really habitable worlds, we are only at the beginning when it comes to making this planet habitable. We revert to what helps us and others feel better at this time of year. Shopping. While holiday shopping make you feel joyful, it can also keep big business grip on independent retailers. What makes them do that? When you shop online, such as at Walmart or Amazon, large companies use their sales platform to promote their products above those of smaller enterprises that sell competing goods. Unfairly, the act of prioritizing one's own interests over those of others is referred to as self-preferencing. How can you then help? Buy locally then? You know, more than 64% of new jobs in the US are held by small business owners. In order to keep each other fed and our communities prospering, fight for the anti-monopoly transfer power away from large businesses and help give more chances for your neighborhood. That's how we make a planet habitable. Kepler 69c is located at a distance of 27,000 light years. The age of this super-Earth may be around 7 billion years. This neatly fits it into the anticipated age range of 5 to 8 billion years for super-habitable planets. This time frame is based on the fact that complex life only emerged on Earth after 3.5 billion years. Therefore, a planet that is a little older than ours may have the best chance of hosting life. This exoplanet might just be a little bit too massive to be really habitable. It is almost 4 times as massive as Earth. A single massive continent with enormous desert at its center may exist on a rocky planet this size, but the coastline washed by Kepler's ocean could be your perfect spot to move to our next super. Kepler 1126b is a designation that Earth shares with another star. However, it is slightly closer to us. Yeah, this planet is about 2073 light years away, and it belongs to a system that is 7.5 billion years old. It also orbits a yellow dwarf star much like our own. Only Kepler 1126b is 2.5 times closer to its star than Earth is to the Sun. But since the star Kepler 1126b orbits is cooler than our own, it doesn't really matter. In light of this, the habitable zone would be much closer to it. If you don't feel uncomfortable with being so close to a scorching hot star, Earth is another super on our list and is a respectable distance from your residence. The distance to Speculus 2c is only 106 light years. Not that being nearby has any sort of advantage. Even if you traveled at the speed of NASA's Parker Solar Probe, the fastest spacecraft even launched, it would still take you well over 200,000 years to reach this super-Earth. Speculus 2c appears to have potential. Though it is almost 40% bigger than the Earth, the possibility exists that it will be a rocky planet similar to our own. Its red dwarf star is still quite tiny, despite the fact that it is in a habitable zone. Only 15% of our sun's size is occupied by it. As a result, this planet travels incredibly closely around its star. Given their proximity, it's possible that Speculus 2c and its star are tidally locked. One complete rotation of this super-Earth's axis and one orbit around its stars both take 8.5 days. That would result in constant night on one side of the world and constant daylight on the other. This implies that life may be possible in the thin strip of land known as the Terminator Zone, which lies between the two sides. To be sure, we simply need to take a closer look. But wouldn't it be lovely if the planets in our own solar system were a little more hospitable given how far away all these candidates are? And that's all for today, guys. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And thank you for watching.